Friends, in this video, I will discuss how we can generate two sounds of slightly different frequencies using an E555 timer. Friends, I request you please watch this video till end and subscribe my channel for more videos. Friends, I will share the diagram of this circuit at the end of video. Friends, you can see in this circuit I use an E555 timer. These are two resistors of value 1K. It is resistor of value 100K. Here I use a capacitor 104. It is semiconductor diode. Here I use two push buttons to generate two frequencies. You can see here I use two LEDs and two resistors of value 220 ohm. Here red LED is used for power indication. This is capacitor of value 8.8 microfarad. Friends, you can see circuit is completed. Now I will test this circuit by connecting power supply to the breadboard. Friends, you can see when I connect power supply to the breadboard, then red LED is on. It means that this circuit is active. Friends, here you can see I use two push button to generate two sounds of slightly different frequencies. When I press this button, then this circuit will produce sound. Friends, I hope you like this video. I request you please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.